Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to convert BTC to USDT on Bybit. So let's get started. Number 1, open the Bybit app. Launch the Bybit mobile app on your device and log into your account. Number 2, go to the home screen. Navigate to the home screen where you can see your assets and trading options. Number 3, select trade. Tap on the trade option at the bottom of the screen. Number 4, choose BTC or USDT pair. In the trading section, select the BTC or USDT trading pair. Number 5, enter conversion amount. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert to USDT. Number 6, confirm the trade. Review the details and tap confirm or trade to complete the conversion. By following these steps, you can quickly convert Bitcoin to USDT on the Bybit mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.